Decades ago, you could get car keys replaced anywhere, but over time, the key replacement business shifted from the corner store to the dealership at a time when the prices and profits soared. So how did this happen? Retailers lost key business because of what we call the 3 C's: complexity, computers, and cost. Let's take a look at each and how Car Keys Express is uniquely positioned to solve each of them. First, complexity. In the 1970s and 80s, a handful of keys would cover all vehicles on the road. Today, there could be hundreds of keys for a single make. Our keys are universal. Our products feature unique, patented universal key technology. So once again, you can stock a handful, not a roomful. Second, computers. Today's modern keys need to be paired to your vehicle with specialized computers to make them work. We have unique DIY pairing devices. With our easy installers, consumers simply plug an easy installer into their vehicle's standard diagnostic port to pair new keys to the vehicle in just a few minutes. Lastly, cost. It's no secret. Dealership keys are expensive. Replacing one can cost as much as a smartphone or laptop. Imagine trying to stock hundreds of SKUs at OEM prices. Our products cost up to 70% less. We reduce costs by designing and manufacturing our full line of aftermarket versions of modern car keys ourselves. What's more, our products exceed OEM quality with a better than OEM 3-year warranty, so there's no need to buy expensive OEM keys. We have industry-unique solutions to solve each of the 3 C's and bring modern car key replacement back to retail for the first time in decades.